How to give access to Google Drive link. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can give access to Google Drive link for everyone. So let's just dive right into the video without any delay. So if you want to give access to Google Drive link, these are the process you may follow up. So first of all, you can directly head over to Google Drive and locate up the folder from the Google Drive that you want to give access to. For example, let's say this is the folder I want to give access to. So all you need to do is after the folder is created, you can go ahead and tap on the three dot beside it and you will be finding the share option. So you can go ahead and tap on it, and when you do that, in the bottom you'll be finding manage access. So you can just go ahead and tap on it. After that, since I am the owner, what you can do is on the general access you can find this only people added can open with the link. So you can go ahead and tap on this change option, go ahead and tap on it again, and then select this option called anyone with link. And what that will do is allow anyone to get access to your Google Drive. So you can just go ahead and share the link afterwards, and then people can access your Google Drive without any link available. So that is how you give access to Google Drive. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.